Today I'm going to show you how to use and apply Dura Grip. First, you want to start by cleaning away any dirt or oil from the surface. This will help with the overall application. I'm currently applying this at a rubber making factory to show that forklifts will be operated beyond this point in order to keep everyone safe. Now that it's clean, it's time to outline your safety lines with tape. I am measuring first to make sure it's straight and exactly where we want it. Step 3 is where it gets fun. It's time to open up your Dura Grip. Be sure to mix it thoroughly when you begin, as well as a few times throughout the application process. Use a roller to apply a thin, uniform coat to ensure texture is evenly spread out. If applying a second coat, do this 2 to 4 hours after the first application and apply in a crosshatch pattern. Allow the paint to dry 24 hours before heavy traffic. Next, remove the tape. Here's the before and here's the after. As you can see, the paint's texture leaves a slip-resistant finish. Stay safe with SlipDoctors. Don't slip, get a grip.